Hey guys, we have a special unboxing. This is from our extra good channel supporter, Krista. She sent us this. It was supposed to be for Christmas, but some of the things I guess didn't arrive, so she couldn't ship it to us in New York City before Christmas. So here we are in Florida. This has come all the way from, I believe, the state of Washington. So I took the dangerous tape off, you know, the scissors.
Sure.
So here we go. It's a big box. What do you think, Huts?
Oh, he's curious.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God. Guys, this is really well wrapped. Wow. Okay. There's something for Hudson. James and Karla and Hudson.
The Hudster.
Greetings from the Columbia Gorge.
Oh, wow.
The Columbia Gorge, a state of wonder. The Columbia River Gorge is a spectacular river canyon, 80 miles long and up to 4,000 feet deep, that meanders past cliffs, spires, and ridges set against the nearby peaks of the Pacific Northwest Cascade Mountain Range. With 26 waterfalls, 57 hiking trails, and over 200 miles of hiking, it's the perfect place to wander and explore.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Hudson. We've got to go there. We've never been. To protect the Columbia River Gorge's resources, while also maintaining a working landscape, the region was designated in 1986 by Congress as the nation's second and largest national scenic area.
Yeah, that's a beautiful card. Let me see. Let me show it close up.
Extra good. And look, she wrote us this beautiful note. James, Karla, and Hudson, just a few gifts for the three of you in appreciation of all the amazing content your channel brings to so many people. You're such genuinely nice, positive people, and Hudson is the sweetest of companions. Even though I'm not able to catch many of your live streams, I always enjoy watching them later and listening to Karla's knowledge of New York City and the neighborhood history. I also enjoy James's commentary and the interaction you both have with the people in your chat who really do seem like great friends. I'll be in New York City in April. Maybe
nice.
I'll spot you guys and get to meet you in person and have a fabulous time in Florida. Krista Relling. Definitely.
Krista,
We'll
fantastic job.
April is a great time to visit Manhattan,
Beautiful.
New York City. So let's get started. We got our card.
Hudson.
Now,
Hudson's
treats for Hudson. I see a bag. Hudson.
He's pulling up.
Treats for the sweet boy. He spotted it.
Oh, look at him. He's on his bed. The bonbon bed.
Oh, Krista.
Oh.
Lamb bites. Ideal for dogs with allergies. Lamb bites. Hudson's interested. Let's try
He
them.
wants a taste. He'd like a taste.
Like, ooh.
Look at his nose in the bag. Oh, that's...
Oh, he loves. He loves. This is like the lamb lung. We get him this at that the little health food store for doggies in the East Village. This is one of his favorite. I call it the dog crack. He loves it. This was a perfect gift.
He can't help it. He loves him.
Lamb. Oh, here's a little piece.
Oh,
of
that's
drop.
beautiful. Krista, nice
Extra
job.
good. And then wait, more. Health bars. Baked with bacon, egg, and cheese. Look at the dog. Look at the cute little doggy.
Oh, that sounds cute.
You want to try one, Hans? What do you think?
Of course.
Yes.
He'll sample one.
Yes. Yes. Oh, look, they got like a buffalo on it. Because it's by Blue
Here,
Buffalo.
show it. Bring it to the... Oh, nice. What do you think, Huds?
He doesn't want to make a mess. Look,
He's upset.
Away.
Yeah.
He's turning away from the camera like...
Yeah. I don't want
loves it.
food to fall out.
Oh, he loves it. Krista, these are fantastic. Both of them. Perfect
Awesome
for
job.
little boy Huts.
That's a fantastic job.
All right, Huts. This one's for me. It says, Karla, some novelty wear for you to lounge around in. Ooh.
Lounging with Hudson. Hudson likes to lounge.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it?
It's got Hudson on it. Oh, God. Wait,
Oh my God, I gotta show this. Oh, Hudson's knocking over his treats. All hell's breaking loose. Oh, hold it up, hold it up.
Wait a minute.
Hold it up. Oh,
my
man.
God, PJs.
Look at him. Oh, Krista. Oh, let me go right in on him.
Wait, there's more.
Oh, look, you got a whole set.
PJs. Pajama top.
Oh,
I'm gonna
that
put
is
it on.
awesome.
I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah, you gotta put it on.
I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah, Krista. Hudson's face. He's right in the thick of it. There he is.
No, see, this is a special order that she ordered and had it made for us. So that's why it must not have been ready for Christmas time.
Oh.
Oh, look how perfect it is.
Oh, man, that's sick.
Oh my God, I can't wait to show everybody.
All these Hudsons.
I'm loaded with Hudsons.
They all want a treat.
Yeah, they all want a treat. They all want lamb lung.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Wait, and there's one more. Oh, this is a swatch of the fabric.
Yeah, to reorder and
Right,
stuff.
to reorder it.
Yeah.
So look at this, guys.
Oh, that is great. Oh, man, that's sick.
I love it.
Love it.
Krista, this is amazing.
Yeah,
Wait,
Hudson.
I want Hudson to come back up.
Yeah, let me pause it.
So wait a minute, there's one more thing in here.
Oh,
Oh my God! Guys!
oh, it's a mess.
It's amazing! I can
Oh, my God.
feel all our videos.
Oh, that's great. Oh, Hudson's running around. He's like, it's me. Let me come up close. Lean in a little. Perfect.
Wait, I gotta bring Hudson. You guys, look, I'm giving Hudson another lamb lung piece. Oh, he's drooling all over me. I don't want him drooling on my new pajamas. But look at this.
Where's he going?
Huds, come back. You're not gonna get a lamb lung. You know what he's doing?
Yeah.
Is he keeps on getting down because he knows if he gets down, then he'll get back up. He gets another lamb lung.
It's a little treat. Okay.
Okay, now look.
Look at a mask. It looks just like Hudson. Yeah. It's great.
Extra good, right?
Oh man, Krista,
Oh,
that
my
is
God.
crazy.
I'm in love with it. It's
Love it.
so perfect.
Fantastic job.
And the PJ bottoms too.
Absolutely fantastic.
So, one more thing I spotted in here.
No?
Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. Oh, this one's for James. Oh my.
Oh, that looks
Wait
like
a
it
minute,
could be a
I
record.
know what it is already. It's vinyl, I think. James, obviously, you probably have this album, but I found this back in 1987.
Oh, man.
For $1. It plays well, and I knew you, of all people, would have appreciation for it.
Oh man.
Wow. You know, and all the stationery is from the Wall Street Inn.
Nice.
Krista, I'm wondering if you worked there.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I'm gonna look up that up. Is that a
What?
hotel?
Huh? What is? Oh my God. Is that what it is? Oh my God.
I didn't
Blonde
know.
on blonde. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Krista.
Krista.
Holy crap, guys. This is one of the,
James doesn't have this.
not on vinyl.
Only on CD.
This is one of the most seminal albums ever. Should be in the Museum of Natural History. It's insane.
Recorded at Columbia Recording Studios, Nashville, Tennessee. Bob Dylan, harmonica and lead guitar on leopard skin pillbox hat. Charlie McCoy,
Oh, man.
harmonica
Show the cover
on
open.
Obviously, Five Believers.
Show the cover open. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, see, it's sideways.
Oh man! And then when you open it, be careful. Yeah,
Right,
look at
I
that.
don't want anything
Oh
to fall
my
out.
God! Look at it.
Oh my God.
Oh man!
It's in beautiful condition.
Oh my God, Krista, that is kingly. Oh my God!
Look, there's the
Yeah.
original price tag from Sam Goody.
Oh my God! Let me see. Yeah, I gotta show it. Oh my God! Look at this. Oh, Krista, one of the historic, important,
Let me show it.
significant recorded sounds ever made. It's fantastic. Guys, if you don't know, Blonde on Blonde, I mean, Bob Dylan.
Guys, it's the original
The
lawyer.
original sleeves. Yeah, show the sleeves. Show the sleeves. Gently.
Gently.
Gently. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Okay, hold on. I want to
Oh
be
yeah,
gentle.
gently, gently, gently. Guys, this is like linen gloves type stuff.
Yeah, that's why I'm being like, I'm like a
Oh
little
my
kid
God.
with it. And
Blonde on blonde. Bob Dylan. Oh, Red Label, Columbia. Oh my God. Oh, Krista, I'm speechless.
speechless.
Honest to God.
I mean,
That is insane.
not only like so
I will
thoughtful.
treasure that.
I don't. I mean, I have to fix it.
Only to be played at the utmost end of need.
Right.
To be treasured in a vault.
Treasured.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna put it back in this.
We're gonna
plastic
play it though.
sleeve.
We
We're gonna
play our vinyl.
We do play our vinyl, but I'm so nervous about it.
In the
that-
city.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that.
Yeah, we're gonna pack it with the foam that Krista packed it with. Yeah, take it out again and then slide. There it goes. Yeah, take it out and then
There.
give it a little. Yep, there we go. Oh my God! Look at that beautiful cover with a fuzzy Bob Dylan with the fright wig hair. Just fantastic.
Oh my God! I can't.
The history of that album, you could write a 3-volume book on. I mean, honest to God.
Krista, this was so. I mean,
Amphetamine fueled songs.
amazing. Look at
Just insane.
Look at all this.
This is a
The
beautiful,
jeans for Hudson.
so thoughtful. Pajamas for Karla.
Pajamas, the mask.
Oh,
I'm gonna wear
give
it.
Hudson one more treat.
Another treat for Hudson.
Guys, I'm going to show this again. No, put it on the table. I want to just.
Like, just salivate
Oh
over
my
it.
God! Slightly out of focus cover as usual. It's an
Salivate over it.
iconic enigma of Bob Dylan on the cover.
James.
Yeah, just insane.
Oh God.
There you go. Hey, oh, Krista, fantastic
this
job.
Was so nice, Krista. We can't thank you enough.
Oh, I
That's
can't.
amazing.
I can't. I'm grinning ear to ear.
Extra good.
Extra good. Thanks so much.